I have 4 new cards today, but I'm going to talk about the gender reveal cards first. First, these have no audio, but when you open it and pull the strip down here, it will reveal if it's a boy or a girl. So check it out. Right there, it is a boy, and also has stickers inside. Let me show you what's going on here. We have these cute little monster alien stickers. And I think now it will make sense why we have the Inquirer type on the front. This one would be the girl. Again, you give them, they want to find out what's inside. They pull the strip, it says it's a girl. And for them, the stickers are different. You'll see them right here. Again, we have right there. Hold on, I'm trying to get these right side up. Cute little girl stickers. I think there's one more. There we go. So these are now available today at jokergreeting.com.